Right, will you step in and treat everyone in rural Ireland as well as urban Ireland the same when it comes to this decrease in fares for our youth?
I want to thank the Deputy for raising the range of issues. I didn't quite catch the first couple, but salads are good for you, by the way. You know, and I don't think it's. I don't think it's weird to enjoy a salad. I don't think it's weird to cycle either, for that matter. But I think we need a sense of perspective and a bit of calm too. I think you've made the first point I would make. I think you welcomed, the reduction in transport costs or fares that we've announced and brought in on respect to cost of living in terms of public transport and in terms of the young people. I think it's very important that we reduce public transport fees. Now, the Minister can do that readily within legal frameworks and so on. It's not as easy in terms of the private transport issue, and we will continue to look at that to see how we can be supportive. The government was very supportive